If you want a fuller, lush ZZ plant without buying a new pot, in this ultimate guide, you'll learn the exact secrets to multiply your ZZ plant. You'll discover simple, beginner-friendly methods that actually work right in the same pot. The ZZ plant has earned its reputation as one of the toughest houseplants around. It tolerates low light, forgives missed waterings, and survives conditions that would stress most indoor plants. While it's easy to keep a ZZ plant alive, encouraging it to multiply into a lush, full specimen takes more intention. Understanding how this plant grows is the first step to helping it truly thrive. ZZ plants grow from thick underground rhizomes that store water and nutrients. Every new stem pushing through the soil begins as growth from these rhizomes. Support the rhizomes properly, and you'll see more shoots emerging over time. First, keep your ZZ plant slightly root-bound. Unlike many tropical plants, ZZ plants prefer being a little snug in their containers. A root-bound plant encourages rhizomes to cluster and push out new shoots, not spread into excess soil. Choose a pot only one size larger than the rhizome mass. Too much extra space causes the plant to focus on root expansion, not new stems. Second, provide bright, indirect light. ZZ plants can survive in low light, but survival is not the same as thriving. If you want your plant to multiply, bright, indirect light is essential. Place it near an east or south-facing window filtered with sheer curtains. In brighter conditions, rhizomes receive more energy, supporting stronger and more frequent shoot production. Third, master the watering balance. Because ZZ plants store water in their rhizomes, they don't need frequent watering. However, consistent neglect can still slow down growth. Use the soak and dry method. Water thoroughly until excess drains out. Then, allow the soil to dry completely before watering again. This pattern keeps rhizomes plump and active, promoting healthy growth. Overwatering can cause rot, while prolonged underwatering pushes the plant into survival mode. This reduces new growth, so balance is key. Fourth, feed during the growing season. Spring and summer are the ZZ plant's active growing months. This is the ideal time to provide additional nutrients to encourage multiplication. Use a balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer, like 10-10-10 once per month. Avoid overfeeding, as too much fertilizer can damage roots and rhizomes. In fall and winter, pause feeding while the plant naturally slows down. Fifth, use a well-draining soil mix. Healthy rhizomes are the foundation of new growth, requiring soil that drains well. ZZ plants dislike soggy conditions, which can harm their roots. Mix standard potting soil with materials like perlite, coarse sand, or orchid bark to improve drainage. A light, airy mix allows roots to breathe while retaining just enough moisture to stay hydrated. Sixth, don't remove aging stems too quickly. Older ZZ stems may lose their shine or begin to yellow. While it may be tempting to prune immediately, these stems often continue transferring energy back to the rhizomes. Allow stems to dry out fully before removing them. This ensures the plant has reclaimed valuable stored nutrients that can fuel new shoot development. Seventh, be patient and consistent. ZZ plants are naturally slow growers. Even under ideal conditions, you may only see a handful of new shoots each year. Consistency is key. Steady light, proper watering, and seasonal feeding build momentum over time. Eventually, you'll notice small green spikes emerging from the soil, clear signs your plant is multiplying and becoming fuller. Bonus tip: gentle stress can encourage growth. In nature, ZZ plants experience cycles of drought followed by rainfall. Some growers replicate this pattern by allowing the plant to dry slightly longer than usual before resuming deep watering. This mild, controlled stress can stimulate rhizomes to wake up and send out fresh shoots. When done carefully, it can give your plant the gentle push it needs to expand. With the right balance of light, water, nutrients, and patience, your ZZ plant can transform from a single-stemmed survivor into a dense, eye-catching indoor statement. If you love easy care plants that grow beautifully with minimal effort, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this guide with fellow plant lovers. Your ZZ plant journey to a fuller, greener pot starts today.